There was a brief debate on my TikTok about Manuia malanga and Manuia malanga. The Samoan language is very meticulous in detail, and context can be derived from the A and O. There's differences based on the type of control and authority that you have over an object that you possess, and it can change the entire context of the conversation. Now let's look at the categories of A-class possessions. Property of every kind, your language, your words, your speech, animals and plants, work, food, customs, conduct, or your behavior. One thing that these kind of possessions have in common is the kind of control that you have over these things. O-class possessions, relations, your parents, your siblings, your family. There's some exceptions that he also names, but they're based on the control or the authority that you have over these people. Your soul and your emotions. Your soul was given to you. Your emotions just kind of happen. And then some other categories are things that cover and protect and provide for you, like your clothing, your houses, boats, land. And from my personal experience, practically every time I hear God being mentioned as a possession, it's O class. O lo'u atua, my God. Now back to Manuia malanga and Manuia malanga. Both of them mean good journey or good trip. Some people don't make that contextual differentiation. It's Manuia malanga every time, no matter what. But if we're going to differentiate based on context, one of these is going to mean a trip that you control, you plan, and you got the authority over it. Which one would that be? And then the other one has more reverence to it. It's given to you like your mom, your dad, your siblings, and your name. You have no control over it. It just kind of happens. Again, I never say what's right or what's wrong because, like I said, we're in the diaspora. People use the language differently. If that's how people are speaking someone around you, then hey, that's communication. That's what it's called. But based on these principles, Manuia malanga, Manuia malanga. To me, there's a difference, and that's the way that I use it.